What's good, everybody? It's KTG, and today we are doing a review on the Ducati 848. I have a 2013 model here, and man, is she pretty. She is definitely a beauty. This looks amazing. I already have the walk around video, so if you guys want to see full walk around, I have the link where I'll do a little thingamajig right there in the upper corner. Today we're doing the review. I'll give you my thoughts and opinions on it. It is my first ride on the Ducati 848 EVO.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now.
So let's get it. All right, let's start her up. Oh, sounds amazing. It's that V-twin single sidearm. That just makes it look even more beautiful. It's like the wheel is like just floating right there. Anyways, let's get this show on the road. You guys want to hear my opinions on it? Let's go. And if you're not familiar with the channel, I have a CBR 929RR. So that's what I'm riding, and so I can kind of give a comparison. And before that, I had a CBR 600RR. Let's get the show on the road. That V-twin, it's amazing. This is very nimble. It takes a lot less effort to flick it back and forth versus my 929. It's like a 600 with more grunt, more mid-end torque, more, you know, just that mid-end. But it's nimble like a 600. I like the seats. My butt just stays there. The seating position, it's pretty aggressive. The sound of that V-twin though versus those inline fours, it's a big difference. It sounds so manly. Yeah, I love the underseat exhaust. Bad the modern bikes don't do that anymore. I get it for the weight saving and all that, but it looks aesthetically, it's just so much better. It's responsive, the throttle, I like it. Alright, it's gonna be like 80 today. So from what I've read about this bike, it gets really hot. Looking at his heat shield on this right side of by my leg, it looks like there barely is a heat shield. Then again, I've only ridden it for about 5 minutes, so we'll see. Yeah, I like the seat. Like if I have to get in my tuck, I feel comfortable. But I like the way sports bikes are, so that's comfortable for me. Honestly, those mirrors, they're useless. It just feels so easy. 13,000 RPM redline. Alright, yeah, after riding it a little bit, it is definitely feels more aggressive than my CBR. But it's not bad, in my opinion. That's the point, right, of a sport bike? You're on it, but you're like in like a little cockpit. And I like the way the tank is. It has these indents for your legs, so when you are gripping it with your legs, it feels amazing. It feels great. There we go. Shifting, it feels so smooth. It just goes right into gear. I was actually looking at one of these. I think it's a 09 with like 14,000 miles. I think I should take it on the highway, huh? I mean, that would give me a real good feel. Everything feels good. There goes my house right there. Just kidding, I wish. We're getting there. We're getting there, baby. Oh, that's the gas light. Yeah, that was a fuel light. Good thing I was right nearby a gas station. Alright, so let's put some gas in this baby. Yeah, it looks like he had some gasoline explosion. This looks. Alright, let's see how much it takes to fill her up. I'm putting premium. Alright, that's pretty good right there. As you can see, she's filled. And yeah, I gotta learn to do this. That twist right here, twist, no drip. Look at you twist it. Bink, boop, ding, ding, bink, bink, boom, 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 bink, 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 boom, boom. $9.45 for 2.5 gallons. So I wonder if the tank is like 3 gallons, 3-something gallons. Okay, so now we know that yellow light was a gas light. I just couldn't tell. I can see it kind of now. It's a beautiful day to ride. I think I already said that. Like, these mirrors are tiny. They're tiny. Brakes feel good. Really haven't had to use them. Yeah, but they feel good. They work, which is always a good thing. Yeah, it shifts right into gear, smooth. It's a temp, it's 78 degrees, that's cool. Yep, brakes feel good. Alright. Maybe I should look at this up before, yep. So, temp of the bike, 177. Temperature, 78 degrees. Oh, nice. You can read it all, it's all there. And I think that's the shift light over here. I can feel that heat. That definitely is a bum roaster. My bum is getting toasty. We'll see how it feels once I get on the highway. Of course it's gonna get a little warm once you're at a standstill. I mean, that's for every bike. My bike gets a little warm when I'm standing there. Alright, we're gonna take it on the highway, see how it goes. Too bad I got all these cars ahead of me. It felt good. Over 100, it still felt good. Really stable. Doesn't want to be in a higher gear. When you're in a power band, it feels really good. You know, I feel comfortable on it. This exhaust is loud. It's not annoying like the Suzuki that I rode. That was just ridiculously loud. I purposely missed my exit because I still want to ride. Yeah, it gets up. It goes to that first and second gear really quick. If you're not paying attention, you're hitting that rev limiter. That heat is no joke though, seriously. That is one thing you have to keep in mind, because from the looks of his heat shield, I'll show you a picture of it, compared to the that 09 Ducati, this looks like just a little carbon fiber piece, whereas that other thing is like some big thingamajig. And it's 78 degrees out right now. I got all my vents open. My butt is toasty. If you do a lot of highway riding, it's not bad. How mean it sounds. And I hope it's picking up all my audio from my voice, because the bike is loud. I love all the pops and gargling it does. Again, it's that V-twin. So keep in mind, if you can't deal with that heat, this bike might not be for you. All in all, this bike feels really well made. And if you do decide to buy this bike, other than the heat issues, it's a good bike. It's a great bike. It feels easy to ride. Mechanically, everything feels so smooth. I mean, it's a Ducati. You're gonna get a lot of looks. It's definitely a head turner, if that's what you're looking for. Alright, but I think that's the end of my review. I'd appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe, hit that like button if you find value in this video.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I live right as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.